basic info about this resort like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location. Of reviews of this hotel, you can go to availab.com. Review rating is 8.2, which is the excellent category 1. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 2. In category 3, category 4, category 5, typical amenities of this hotel as you can see on the screen. Listing of 5 type of rooms is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. Destination of the hotel is superb. It is to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 1 p.m. Check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. To get more details about this property, please check the description of the video. If you have visited this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video.